Are you constantly juggling deadlines, feeling scattered, and wishing there were more hours in the day? In today's fast-paced world, staying productive is a superpower. And the secret weapon? Artificial intelligence. Get ready for some mind-blowing AI hacks that will transform the way you work and send your productivity soaring. Tame your tasks. Endless to-do lists got you feeling frazzled? Traditional to-do lists are so last century. AI-powered task managers are the future. They learn your work patterns, intelligently prioritize tasks, suggest realistic deadlines, and even break down big projects into manageable steps. Say goodbye to feeling overwhelmed and hello to a sense of focused accomplishment. Master your inbox. Is your inbox a digital wasteland sucking up your precious time? Time to unleash the power of AI email assistants. They'll sort and filter your messages, highlight the truly urgent ones, suggest quick replies, and even draft whole emails for your approval. Imagine reclaiming hours of your day that used to vanish into the email abyss. Conquer content creation. Whether you're writing blog posts, reports, or snappy social media updates, content creation can be a serious time drain. AI writing tools are here to change the game. They'll brainstorm ideas, suggest captivating phrases, help you beat writer's block, proofread your work, and even translate your content into different languages. Focus on the big picture while AI handles the nitty-gritty. The power of virtual assistants. Wish you had a personal assistant to take care of all those mundane tasks. AI-powered virtual assistants are the next best thing. From scheduling appointments and setting reminders to booking flights or ordering groceries, just use your voice and commands like, "Hey Siri" or "Alexa," and consider it done. It's like having an extra pair of hands without the extra salary. AI-powered insights. Ever wish you had a crystal ball to see how you could use your time more effectively? AI analytics tools are the closest thing to it. Track your work patterns, identify time-wasting habits, and get personalized recommendations on how to optimize your day. Think of it as a productivity consultant that lives in your computer, helping you make data-driven decisions to work smarter, not harder. AI for specific needs. The world of AI productivity tools is vast and exciting. Need help staying focused? There are AI-powered website and app blockers. Struggling to transcribe meetings? AI transcription services have got your back. Want to create eye-catching visuals quickly? AI image generators are at your service. The possibilities are truly endless. The future of productivity is undeniably powered by AI. Don't get left behind. Explore the incredible world of AI tools. We'll put some helpful links in the description below. Start experimenting and discover how AI can become your productivity sidekick, helping you achieve more than you ever thought possible. Did you find these AI hacks mind-blowing? Hit that subscribe button for more awesome tech and productivity tips. Let's embrace the future and work smarter together.